You know what time it is. Detailers are here, guys. The car is about to get ceramic coated, paint corrected, I think waxed. It's gonna get cleaned up real. We're getting the car waxed, detailed, clear coated, paint corrected. It's gonna turn out real good. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's done, guys. And now the rims got like, oh, y'all gotta see, y'all gotta see. I'm not saying nothing else.
Nothing sticks to it. Like my truck, you look at my truck, that think outside the box, and that's in anything you do. But when you and anything you do in life, not just this. I'll even put you in my video if you want. Didn't even really take care of it.
The sun is not out, it's kind of cloudy. The sun peeked out momentarily, but not too long. That thing looks mean.